Howdy, how are you all doing? If you follow us on London Creative Out and About, our other channel where we go out and do stuff in London, you would have seen us the other week out in Bermondsey doing something very creative, making our own beer. If you're not following London Creative Out and About, why not? We made this beer, and this beer is called the Climbing Moss Chocolate and Mint Red Ale. Climbing Moss is our blog where we review stuff, talk about stuff and so forth, and the link is this. So we did the Climbing Moss Chocolate and Mint Red Ale at the Mash Paddle Brewery, and today we're going to open it for the first time and try it, because since it's been sat brewing in the cans for the last couple of weeks, and now is the big reveal. It may be truly disgusting, and you'll discover with us when we get to it. Here goes. Some of us drink out of the can. Some of us were brought up. Oh, fizzy. A lot of froth. That's a rather fizzy. The carbonation worked. We tried a sample version. It didn't have any fizz to it. So, cheers. Cheers. Here goes nothing. Bottoms up. That's a not good face by her, is it?
Tastes like lager.
It tastes like lager. We don't like lager.
Does it not taste like lager? It kind of tastes like Stella.
It tastes like lager. It tastes very... It doesn't taste very... Does it taste minty?
Not at all.
No. Mint.
Oh, maybe you like the aftertaste.
So low. You can't have it. It's got chocolate in it. This dog absolutely loves
Is
beer.
it red?
It's very definitely red.
Cool.
Bad.
It's not what we thought it was going to be.
It was meant to be sort of more of a rich chocolate and mint red ale. Rather fizzy. If you're one of the people that has been given a can of the Climbing Moss microbrewery beer and you're seeing this, then you can review it and leave a review on Untapped, the beer website, and look up Climbing Moss Chocolate and Mint Red Ale with Mash Paddle Brewery. It's okay. Tell us what you think if you get it. Obviously, a lot of you probably aren't going to get it, but rather
we
than...
should do a competition to win one.
You can win one. I don't know how we're going to get to you, but should you leave a comment, that's first. Tell us what beer you'd make if you could make your own beer. And the most interesting or imaginative or unique will win a can of beer somehow. There's only like 40 cans of it, so it's a rather small thing. Preferably if you're in London, because we're not really going to be able to ship it to Canada. If we could do that, we'd ship ourselves to Canada. We made a chocolate and mint red ale because it's Climbing Moss, CM. So we were trying to think of something that was C and M, so chocolate and mint.
Cranberries and melons.
Cranberries and melons. Custard and...
Macaroons.
Yeah. I mean, we could have gone with...
Coconut.
Coconut and marzipan.
Or marshmallow.
Or Marmite, if we were really disgusting. Don't like Marmite. Yeah, coconut and Marmite. There you go. You've got to come up with, this is it, come up with a beer that its ingredients are C and M for Climbing Moss. Go and check out the blog if you want to. And come up with a beer, leave a comment below for the ingredients that have the C and M ingredients beer. And you possibly could win a can too. Anyway, we'll stop rambling now. You're not going to drink it, are you? Well, there you go. Honest review of our own beer. I hope you like this. This is a random little short video. We will be back next time with something else creative in London. And this dog is going to punch me until I give her a beer, but it's got chocolate in it, so she can't have any. Right. See you soon. Say goodbye. Bye bye.
Bing! You're sitting on her foot.
I'm not sitting on her foot. You always wait for me to start recording before you start moaning at me.
Okay.
But today, what are you pointing at?
About claiming loss.
Right, I'm getting to it.